Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Gonna make a quick video on how to test a blaster stator here. You can see I got my engine pretty much rebuilt. I'm waiting for the paint stripper to take the paint off the side cover, as well as I fucked up one of my crank seals on that side, so I'm waiting for that replacement too. But I had a couple stators here. This is one of them. I got them very cheap. It was kind of like a parts lot up in northern Vermont, and I thought I'd show you guys how to test these. So you're going to be testing 3 of these wires here. You have your black wire, which is going to be, I believe, your ground, and then you have the white and red here, which I believe is, you can kind of see that there, I believe that's a pickup, and then the black and red, which are the ignition coil, whatever you call that, not the lighting one, the other one. You can test the lighting as well, but this is just for actual spark reasons. So anyway, you gotta take your ohm meter here. You can see right now I got it set on 2000, and I got my 2 little probes here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and test the black and red and the black together, and this reading should be between, I believe, 200 to 290-ish. And then you'll go ahead and test the white and red here and the black, and this should be between, I believe, 16 and 21. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so it took some time, but I've got these positioned here. You can see I got the 2 blacks together here, and then I got the black and red stripes connected to the red probe. Took a little time to get it positioned, but you can see right now putting out 224 ohms. Temperature does make the readings fluctuate a little bit. Yesterday they were reading colder when I was out in the garage at about 30 degrees. But you can see that the ignition coil here is good, so let's go ahead and test the pickup. Alright, so I got my pickup positioned here now. I got the white and red to the red. Kept the grounding wires the same. You can see right here I'm reading 18 ohms right now, which means this should be good, and it is cooler down here. The stator and all is probably about 45 degrees right now, because it was sitting out in the cold and I just brought it in maybe 5 minutes ago. And as long as you're between those numbers I mentioned earlier, your stator should be good. Good luck.